I can imagine no more rewarding a career. And any man who may be asked in this century what he did to make his life worthwhile, I think can respond with a good deal of pride and satisfaction. I served in the United States Navy.
Hey everyone, Retired Navy Rob here. Welcome back for my channel. Thank you for coming. Now last week I did a video on the West River bank of Jamaica Vermont $1 bill. And if you haven't seen it, I will put the link up here for you to be able to pull that video up. But this week I have their $2 bill. Bring that in a little bit, we'll take a closer look. Now like I said, I really love the artwork back then. I mean, if you look at this, the details, the cherubs, you know, the reeds on the coin. Now, last week we did the $1 bill. There was one cherub with one coin. This week we have a $2 bill with two cherubs with two coins. Now, they could take these to the bank and cash these in for a coin each. So I think that was pretty unique that they had the one coin and the two coins. You look at the train in the background, the mountains. So we got the lady churning butter with the hens in the background, the cattle in the background. I love that detail. Had the red overprint. Now this is actually a security measure against counterfeiting, that they did that. And if you look behind there, there's the cattle. We got a grade of 64, choice uncirculated. And as in most of the bills from that time frame from these obsolete banks, there's no print on the back because ink cost money. And they were trying to save a little bit of money. Well, hey everyone, once again, thank you for coming by. Have a great night and keep on stacking.